In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable read.ai from Microsoft Teams. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. The first step is to open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, or any other browser that you usually use. Once you're there, go ahead and navigate to the official read.ai website. It's always a good idea to ensure you're on the legitimate site to protect your data. When you arrive at the website, log in to your personal read.ai account. You'll need to enter your standard login credentials, which typically include your username and password. Make sure to double-check that you're entering everything correctly to avoid any login issues. Once you're successfully logged in, look to the left side menu of the read.ai dashboard. Here, you will find several options, and you want to locate the Integrations option. This is where all the connected services are listed. Now scroll down until you reach the Messaging section. In this section, you should see an icon for Microsoft Teams. It's usually quite easy to spot. Go ahead and click on that Microsoft Teams option. This action will take you to the specific connection settings related to Teams. Next, you're looking for the Disconnect buttons. This button is what you'll use to initiate the removal of read.ai from your Microsoft Teams account. When you find that button, go ahead and click it. After clicking, a pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm your choice. It's important to take a moment here. Read the prompt carefully, and if you're sure you want to proceed, confirm your choice. This step will finalize the disconnection process, ensuring that read.ai is no longer linked with Microsoft Teams. To wrap things up, go back to the Integrations page to verify that the status now shows as not connected. This confirmation is key and will give you peace of mind that you have successfully disabled read.ai. And there you have it, your straightforward guide on how to disable read.ai from Microsoft Teams. If you followed these steps carefully, you should now have everything no longer connected. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like the video. This helps us continue to bring you useful content. Happy productivity, and see you in the next tutorial.